Hey guys, Matt with TopHap here. Today we're talking about rentals. Finding a rental that has the appropriate rental value versus cost is really tricky for a lot of people. And most of the time it's just guesswork. You have to know the area really well to know what it would probably rent for. But TopHap has an awesome feature to help you identify areas in a broad region that have better ratios than others. Check it out.
So we start out initially by looking at the state of California, and then I use the search bar in the upper left corner to identify the region that I want to search. In this case, we're looking at Danville, California. Once there, I go to the investment icon and I click on Gross Rental Yield. This will orient the map to tell me what the best ratios for rentals are, meaning price of the house versus estimated rental value. The better the ratio, the darker the colors. So you can see on the west side of Danville, you have very few areas that will yield very good rental returns. But in the middle of Danville, you have more opportunities. Once I'm ready to dig deeper, I just start selecting listings that are in the darker colored regions. This selected rental is priced at $824,000, and the estimated rental value is just over $3,000. That's not a bad ratio. But if we go back to the map and select another listing in one of the lighter colored areas, we see that the ratios are not as good. This home is priced at $3.2 million, but the rental value is just over $7,000 per month. Therefore, it's a much less profitable rental from a cost versus rental value standpoint. Using TopHap in this way lets you easily and quickly identify areas of a certain region that would yield the best rental values and allows you to quickly find active listings.
I hope you enjoyed the video, but remember, helping you identify areas where you can probably find great rentals is not the only thing TopHap does. So to learn more, please check out our other videos.